The Porsche World Roadshow is a great way to experience the driving dynamics of all Porsche segments and the brand identity reflected in our products. And the star of today's show is without a doubt the Taycan. The Taycan is 100% electric, 100% sporty and 100% Porsche. I hope that all of you will experience the power, efficiency and dynamic performance of Porsche products and feel the true Porsche DNA throughout the event today. Welcome to the Porsche World Roadshow 2020. Stop dreaming, start driving.